Welcome back to Primetime News, and a very special welcome also to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Now, up first this evening, 5 persons lost their lives in motor vehicle crashes in Westmoreland in less than 24 hours. And tonight, more appeals for road users to slow down. Kirk Wright has that story.
About 9:40 last night, 3 persons lost their lives mere meters from where a policeman died when his motorbike slammed into a cow on the Bay Road in Little London, Westmoreland. 48-year-old Alwyn Savaru, welder, and his 14-year-old daughter Shanique were traveling in a Toyota Hiace van when it slammed head-on into a Toyota Corolla driven by 43-year-old Owen Barnes, a manager of Good Hope in Westmoreland. Both vehicles were traveling in opposite directions. 6 other persons from the crash are being treated at hospital.
Based on the reports from the police, the crash in Westmoreland could have been avoided because the driver failed to keep to the left.
On Thursday, 2 men traveling on a motorcycle died when the bike they were on crashed into a truck that was heading to White House, Westmoreland. That crash happened on the Cave Main Road. Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Lucian Jones, says Shanique's death brings to 8 the number of children who have died in motor vehicle crashes so far this year. He says 153 persons have lost their lives since the start of the year.
The point is that we must get pedestrians and drivers to be extremely careful on our roads. The numbers are increasing day by day. And we continue to warn that if things don't change, we are going to go back to the same 425 persons who died last year, which was a national disaster.
And I've heard persons, when I got here this morning, saying that the roads needs more street lighting. I mean, yes, there's no doubt about that, but to suggest that the poor street lighting or the lack of street lighting is adding to the accidents, that in itself is just ludicrous.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.